light just to see what's lost behind my flaws. Can you love me naked? Yeah, 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 naked. Yeah, 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 naked. Oh, yeah, yeah.
So, as you can see, it has some of this in it. Not really a lot. Let's see what else we have here. We have another box inside of another box. Not much lighting. Sorry guys, it is almost 11 o'clock where I'm at now. And here we go. It has Amazon Basics. Focusing again. It's giving you the schematics of my tripod. I wonder, do I really have to do that while recording? That's annoying. Alright, so maybe I should try to turn it towards the light. I'm sorry, y'all. Not much lighting. So this is the bag that it comes in. Really lightweight. Very durable. Well, not durable, sorry. Really lightweight. Probably won't take up much room. Here's the zipper. I heard it. Okay. Here's the zipper. I'm hoping it right now. This is actually the perfect, God, I can't talk late at night. This is actually the perfect height that I need. You know, I just need to prop it up on a table where I record. So, you know, not much is really needed for me. I'm a pretty basic person. I'm going to see if I can extend it to see how high it goes. It does say 50 inches, but tighten it up, will that eventually break it? And so there's 1, there's 2, and then there's 3 that, you know, you have to open and close. So I mean, meanwhile, you see up here it's pretty thick. So I mean, over time it'll probably take a long time to damage that, but once you get down here and then down here where it's really slim, I'm not sure. So I guess you'll have to just take it as you go. So it looks like this. I'm turning it actually to see what it is at its tightest. And even at its tightest, I'm not able to do much adjusting. I mean, it's pretty loose, but not that loose. But I'm actually forcing myself to move it, and it's not going anywhere. But once you actually loosen it up, it does go up and down. It looks like it doesn't go front to back. You'll have to actually move the top part. So this controls the actual bottom part of it going left to right. And then this top part here lets you bring it, looks like a toilet. I'm sleepy, y'all, sorry. And then that brings it down, and I'm actually gonna see if this is something that I can open. This is all trial and error, so it's not like I looked at it, played with it, and then got on camera. No, I'm actually finding this out as y'all watch as well. I don't want to break my damn nail. So I wonder, does this, looks like this pops open as well. Sorry, y'all. I'm going to try to get it off before I break a nail. Come right. Not able to get this off. I don't know if you're supposed to. I'm actually going to have to go back and look at my manual if one came with it, or maybe another video. Not sure if this top part comes off. It looked like it wanted to pop off, but I'm not entirely sure. And I don't know what this green thing is back here. That's kind of weird. Some kind of liquid thing, but I mean, whatever. And then I noticed this right here, there's a couple of dials on here actually. So this one here, if you loosen it, it gives you more leeway of, I forgot how it went. I think it opens it up more. Going this way, there it is. Going left and right. And then tighten it. And then this one here, I don't even know which one that one messed with, but I want them all to be tight because when I place this camera on here, I don't want no mishaps, because I'm actually about to put the camera on here now while I'm on the carpet close to the floor so I can see how it actually works. And then I may stand it up to its complete form and then see how my camera works as well. So I'm gonna see if I can screw it on here and then I'll be back. This is how it looks while the camera is on it. So as you know, under the cameras there's like threading so that you can use the tripods, but I could just be over exaggerating. But what I do not like is this noise. Hold on, this noise that it makes. Listen. No, it doesn't want to do it while I have you on. So actually, you know what? Never mind. I could have been over exaggerating. It could have been me tightening it up because now it's not doing it anymore. But looks like it's on there till its full capacity. Tipping it over. No issues. Tip it this way. No issues. Let me see if I remember how to tip it back. Ooh. Ooh. We're gonna try to tip it back now. Feels all right. I think I got a good deal for the price that I paid for it. I'll remember to put that in the description, but feels good. Here you go. I am all ready, baby. So at first I was like, nah, I'm not gonna show y'all that, but yeah, I don't have my tree up, but I haven't taken down our stockings. I don't fucking know why. I need something to put on my walls. Like, I need something to put on my walls, but I don't want this video to be too long. I may end up doing some cutting because I don't like to watch long videos, so I know y'all don't. So thumbs up, thumbs down. Let me know how I can better my videos. I can take constructive criticism. You guys have a great night. I'm about to edit this video, upload it. I'm gonna try to squeeze another one in. Hello.
All I really wanna see is the I don't really need a B, I need the all a bad bitch need is the I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the